It complements really well with any type of dresses that you wear. If you are into crochet and knitting and other woolen stuff, please consider subscribing to my channel. I hope you'll find lots of relevant content for you. Summer is almost over and autumn season is approaching soon, and it will be the season of wraps, shawls, and all sorts of warm things. So today I have designed a very simple pattern. This is a reversible shawl or wrap, or you can even use it as your cowl. There is no wrong side or right side. It's very easy to construct just using chains and a triple crochet. Also, I have named this shawl as the morning breeze because of the sweet flow of the pattern and also the color texture. So I hope you enjoy this pattern. Let's go. This is the yarn that I use for making the morning breeze. This is an acrylic fingering weight yarn. Also there is shine and beautiful texture on it. The color gradient is very beautiful. I love this color combination too. It has a very unique, beautiful elegance to it. And so yeah, try using different types of color combo for yourself and see how it works out. So for this pattern, you will require a yarn of your choice, a 3mm crochet hook, a needle to sew in, and also a scissor to cut the yarn. I'll be using this yarn for this tutorial. And now we begin by making a magic ring. So making a magic ring is very easy, as I've shown often in my other videos. Take the end here like this, wrap it around your right index finger and just roll it. Grab the yarn here, bring this working yarn below, and then insert your hook, just pull up, and do not pull all the way through. And that's how you make slip stitch also. But for slip stitch, you just pull through and it will be a slip stitch like this. But for magic ring, we just wrap it like this, bring it below. You can pull it up with your hands too, or with your fingers too, or with your hook, and then just keep it like that. Okay, now chain one to secure that, and now we begin. Chain up 5. This chain one doesn't count, so we're gonna chain up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 5, and then we're gonna do 2 treble crochet inside the magic ring. So for treble crochet, we wrap the yarn once, wrap around twice, hold it there, go into the magic ring, grab a yarn and pull up a loop. Now you have 1, 2, 3, and 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. This chain 5 counts as 1 treble crochet. So we have 1, 2, and we're going to put 1 more treble crochet. 1, 2, go into the magic ring, grab a yarn and pull it up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 3 treble crochet. You can close the magic ring just by pulling this tail and close it up like this. Now next row, chain up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn your work, put 2 more treble crochet into this very first stitch here, so wrap around twice and insert. Same as before, you put treble crochet, 1 treble crochet, another treble crochet into the same stitch. Now you have 3 treble crochet. This will be the corner 3, so we're gonna chain up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we are going to put 3 treble crochet this side also for the edging. So we're gonna put 3 treble crochet, then there will be the pattern in between, then 3 treble crochet on the other end. So you wrap the yarn twice around your needle, then go into the next space and put 1 treble crochet. Then we put 2 treble crochet on the top of this chain 5 that we had made earlier. So wrap around twice, go into the top stitch, pull up a loop, and then treble crochet. So we have 2 treble crochet so far. We're gonna put 1 more, and that completes round 2, row 2. Now for row 3, chain up 5, 4, 5, turn your work, then put 3 treble crochet. This is already counted as 1 treble crochet, so we will put 2 more, 1 here and 1 here. And then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go into the middle of this. We had chain 5 for this earlier, so we're gonna go into the third chain, 1, 2, 3, here into the middle, and then single crochet on it. Single crochet, chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and then we're gonna do the edging, 3 treble crochet. So 1, 2, and the last treble crochet will be the top of chain 5. That's done. Now next round, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your work. Same. We're gonna do the edging. So this is 1 treble crochet, another treble crochet, then we chain up 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go into the third stitch here in the middle, single crochet on top of it, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leave this space, go into the third chain here and single crochet on top. Then you do 1 more chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you put the treble crochet. And remember, the last treble crochet is the top of chain 5. So that's how it is constructed. This step is repeated over and over again. I will just do the next step with you once again, and I will show you how to end the shawl once you reach the height or the width that you want. So for the last time, chain up 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn your work. This is the second treble crochet, third treble crochet here, and then you start by chaining 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to the third stitch, insert your hook, and single crochet on top. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go into the third stitch, single crochet on top, chain 5, 3, 4, 5, crochet into the third chain, then you end by chaining 5, 3, 4, 5, and make your edge. With the increase of every row, your project is going to grow in a triangle shape. So when you are happy with the size after lots of rows, you can finish off your project. It is very easy. I will show you how to do that. And just one more thing, this project does not have a right side or wrong side. It is a reversible one. So you don't have to worry about how to begin the finishing either from left or right. You can finish off the project from any side. Now you chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as usual. Put 3 treble crochet, and now we will put 1 double crochet for every stitch here. So since we have made 5 chains, we're going to put 5 double crochet into all these chain 5 spaces all the way till here, and then 3 treble crochet again at the end. So it's as simple as that. So we will put 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 double crochet. We have put it here. Even if it might seem that you can put some more, please don't do that or else the shawl, the shape of the shawl will not be that nice. So just put 5, another 5 here, another 5 here, 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 and all the way till you reach your edge. So I'll fast forward it and see you at the edge. I have put 5 double crochet into every chain 5 spaces all the way here, and this will be the same. We are gonna make a treble crochet into these 3 stitches. So 1, 2, and 3 treble crochet, and we are done. You can chain up 1 to secure it, cut the yarn, and then you can hide the excess tail. Hide this tail too, and that's it. I really love this pattern because as you can see it is made of only chain stitches, so it is very easy and simple to create. Not only that, it is very comfortable, warm, and suitable to wear anywhere. You can make it as a shawl or you can use it as your caul and wrap it around your neck when you need it. It is very light, not at all heavy. On top of that, it is reversible. You can wear it from any side, and it complements really well with any type of dresses that you wear. I really enjoyed designing this pattern. I hope you like it, and if you do, please do give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you are into crochet and knitting and other woolen stuff, please consider subscribing to my channel. I hope you'll find lots of relevant content for you. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.